Hi, my name is Paul Klivitz from dailyforextrader.me, and I want to www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com, talking about the new features in the SignalTrader trading system. For those of you that are new to SignalTrader and what it actually is, it's a plugin for MetaTrader 4, which is the platform that pretty much all of the big brokers and the small brokers give away. This is a special plugin, and SignalTrader has been developed over quite a long time, and what I'm going to do is just go through some of the features it has. It works by analysing the markets for each chart. You see I've got tons of charts open here. It monitors about 6 indicators, looks for price action in the market. You can see these diamonds where it's identifying sells and buys and price action, and it then calculates all these lines here. They're all support and resistance that are calculated dynamically. If you use SignalTrader trading system, you don't actually have to draw any lines on your chart. It does it all for you, and in fact, it not only does that, it goes a mode further and actually calculates. If we come over to here to the end of this chart, you can see it actually calculates the possible trade. I'm just going to scroll this out of here. So here it's calculated a possible trade based on the support and resistance and the movement in the market using the volume, and it's decided, if you look here it says hold, it's decided there isn't a trade here that's worth taking, and you can see here it says that the profits for possible profit for 50 odd pips, risk 28, 1.66 ratio of profit to loss, so it's obviously not going to work as a trade. So you can actually just flip through your charts. Oh, and also when it finds a trade, when it sees a trade, so most of us who use this system have our MetaTrader running on a virtual private server. So basically it's running on a Windows machine in the cloud. So it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And although it's only active 5 days a week because the truck markets are shut at weekends, it sends emails to us and gives us alerts when it sees a trade that we might be interested in. Let me try and find one that we are going to be interested in, and all I have to do is look for the smiley face instead of the sad face, but of course this one's quite late at night, so we might not be able to see one. Let's click through these. I think there's probably about 3 that we can have a look at. Here's one. Okay, so when you see a smiley face there, that says to you that you can place an entry order. It's not placing a trade, it's placing an entry order. Now let me show you why. Firstly, it's found a trade with a target of 119 pips, and that's got to be worth having a go at, hasn't it? It's found rejection here. It's looking for congestion. This is a breakout strategy, so we're looking to break out of congestion. Here's the congestion. Here's the breakout. And based on the movement in the charts during the day, or in the last 24 hours, it works out how, and the last 4 hours and last hour, it works out how far it's going to go. And it gives you your entry, stop, your entry, and your take profit. This looks like a great trade. Ratio of profit to loss 4.14 to 1. So what I'm going to do is quickly do a sell stop, and it's really easy to do. I just copy the figures from the screen. So I always trade smaller lots this time of night because it's later. So the stop is going to be 98.240. Take profit is 96.791, and my entry is 97.952. Simple as that. Just copy the figures from the screen. I've got the green go ahead to place an order on that. I'm going to wait there, and because it's CAD, of course, it's saying that I haven't got enough money to place it. Dear. Let's try placing it with a smaller lot. There you go. It's got a smaller lot on it. So basically that's now set up ready for the order. Now all I have to do, I can perhaps set a trailing stop on it, which is what we normally do, is we set a trailing stop for the risk, so it's 28.8 pips, and then we just leave it alone and let it go. And what it'll probably do is it'll trundle down here. Eventually it'll bounce off of this white line, which is what normally happens with SignalTrader trades, and then we'll take profit out of it. But because we put a trailing stop on it as well of 28 pips, because that's what our risk is, it'll follow it down, and if it say gets halfway and there's some bit of random news, it'll just bounce back up. So that's pretty much how SignalTrader works. It does the work for you. It tells you here what the trend is. It tells you here when it sees a potential order, when the actual potential profit versus the risk works, when there's enough volume in the market to make it worthwhile taking. And and it also calculates the congestion. It monitors you can see all these arrows on it. It's monitoring the way that the charts are, the way that the pair is moving, and the potential for a trade. It's actually pretty easy to use. Even a beginner can use this trading system. You don't have to draw lines on the chart. It's all done for you. There's no Elliott waves or Fibonacci lines. The thing is monitoring the markets 24 hours a day. So if you want to have further information, go to iwanttobeaforextrader.com. That's www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com, and you can actually buy. We've got two options for buying it. One is basically it's a membership, so you pay $750 for a lifetime membership that's for forever. Or if you want to pay $50 a month, you can have it on a monthly recurring basis, basically. Which is ideal for beginners who haven't got, who are just starting out and don't really know what to do. There's also a user group. We have a chat room that is up 24/7, although we actually only trade 24 hours, 5 days of the week. And we can help you set your systems up. We can help you get started. We can help you use the software and make the best of it and get some really cool trades. So have a great day. Thanks for listening. It's www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com to get your copy of this incredible trading software.